Okay, I will show you how to connect this solenoid valve into the main line to the sprinkler line. First thing we have to do is to connect this ball valve into the elbow. So first thing you have to put some solvent to prevent leaking. Make sure it tightens. Okay, that's it. Then you have to connect this union cap into the ball valve. Then same procedure, you have to put some solvent and then connect to the ball valve. Okay, tight it carefully. Then after that, you have to put this solenoid into this area. So make sure the inlet is pointing into the sprinkler line. So first thing we have to connect this male adapter into this solenoid. So before we have to put this, we have to put some Teflon tape. Connect to the solenoid valve. Then put some solvent into this area. Then connect to the union valve. After that, same procedure at the outlet. Have to connect this male adapter and then put some Teflon tape to make sure to avoid leaking. Okay, then connect to the solenoid valve. Make sure it is tightened well. Okay. After tighten, last thing you have to put is this union valve. Then make sure you have to put some solvent in this area. Then connect to this part. Connect it properly and tighten. Make sure that it is tightened well. And then the last thing is connect to the sprinkler line. Okay. Okay. So that's it. At the other side is same procedure. And then you put this box in this solenoid valve because it to maintain easy to maintain and to avoid physical damages. That's it. Thank you.